Hello everyone, welcome to the VedicMath. We meet after a long time. Today's session is learn about the square. Find the square of numbers by VedicMath trick. 6 different VedicMath method of doing square. Here in this video, I show you 2 method and other 4 method I will study in my next video. The first method is square of 50 numbers, means the 50 sankhya's square. Numbers whose unit digit is 5 are called quantile numbers. For example, quantile numbers whose unit digit is 5 means 5 in 25, 35, 105, 225 and so on. And the formula is used to find the square is ekadikena purven, means by one more than before. And other formula is antya darshakyapi, means even when the last digit sums to 10. By the above formulas, number square can be done in following step. Suppose we find the square of 25. We find 25 square. Right side, in the right side number 5, we multiply this digit to the same digit, means 5 5 ja 25, and the left side, by the use of formula ekadikena purven, this is the number 2 and we multiply it with one more number, 2 plus 1 3. So we multiply 2 to 3, 2 3 ja 6, 5 5 ja 25 and 6. So we can easily get the square of 25. The 25 square, removing the oblique, the 25 square is 625. We took another number, 65 square. So in left side, using formula ekadikena purven, we multiply 6 to 7. In right side, we multiply with same number, 6 7 ja 42 and 5 5 ja 25. So we get the answer 4225. Similarly, again we do the square of 195. In this 19 and after 19 it's 20. So we multiply 19 and 20 and we do 5 square, means 5 5 ja 25 and 19 2 ja 38 and 0. So we get easily the answer. The second method of finding the square, the formula is used yavadunam. The formula is yavadunam tavaduni krityam vargam cha yojayet, means square by reducing as much as possible. We find the square of numbers which is smaller than base. Let's we find the square of any number. We take 97. We find 97 square. The base of 97 is 100. So the deviation of 97, first step, deviation of 97 is 3. And so we subtract 3 from 97. First we subtract 3 from 97 and we get deviation 3. Therefore we do the square of 3 in the right side. 3 3 ja 9 and 97 minus 3 gives 94. So we get the answer 9409. This is the method in which we easily find the square of big numbers. Let me find the square of 92. The 92 square. The base is 100. Therefore, the deviation is 8. So we subtract 92 from 8, and also we square the deviation. 8 into 8. 8 8 ja 64, and 92 minus 8 gives 84. So we get the answer. Let's take another example. We find the 996 square. In this case, the base is 1000. 1000 minus 996 gives 4. So in a right side, we multiply the deviation to itself. 4 and 996 minus 4. 992 and 4 4 ja 16. So the answer is 9,92,016. We do another example of find square by use of formula Yavadunam. Another example is 12. We find the square of 12 by Yavadunam formula. Find the square of the greater than the base. This is the number that greater than the base. We find the 12 square. The base is 10. So the deviation is 10 plus 2. Deviation is 2. In a right side, we do the square of deviation. 2 square. And in the left side, we add the deviation to the number. 12 plus 2, 14, and 2 2 ja 4. We remove the oblique, and the answer is 144. Same calculation. We find the square of 103. Here the base is 100 and the deviation is 3. So in the right side we do the multiplication of 3 with 3, and we add the 3. We add the deviation to the particular number. 106 and 3 3 ja 9. So we find the square of 103 easily. You also find the square easily by these two methods. So connect with me, and if you find interest in Vedic maths, please join us and subscribe the channel. Thank you.